Hey guys, so today we have a new wig review and installation that I'm going to show you, and this time I'm actually going to show you guys like bit by bit of how I install this wig. So currently this wig is fresh out the box, and I'm just gonna preface this by saying I'm sorry about my nails, and I'm also sorry about the state of my cornrows. So just excuse what you're about to see, okay? I've had these braids in for way too long, so I'm not gonna show you everything that close up because I look crazy. But this is the inside of the wig. And one thing I love is that it comes with these two clips. These are really important. It also comes with a clip in the back. And it also comes with this adjustable strap. So this is how it came straight out the box. Still has all the lace attached. What you're gonna need for your install are these. So you do not have to have both of these. You can have one or the other. Both of these are from Got to Be Glued. And then I think you really should get this gel if you can. I should put some lotion on my hands, but it's okay. We'll do that in a little bit. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on, a little bit of the spray on, blow dry it. You're gonna see the whole process. It takes me 10 minutes to put my wigs on, so just bear with me. Cutting it all off at this moment. I'm just kind of going in certain areas. So the next thing what I'm going to do, and this is kind of the easy part actually, so I'm going to take some hairspray and I'm just kind of spraying it around the hairline. You can do this like before you put the wig on, but you saw I just did that. This is just to make sure it's not gonna move at all. And I know that looks silly, but basically we're gonna just kind of blow dry it, wait for it to dry, and then we're gonna cut the rest of the lace off. So I'll be right back. So now it should be stuck down. You just have to give it a little while. If you don't want to use a blow dryer, you can put a scarf on it and just wait. Now I'm going to go taking my handy dandy comb. This is a broken comb, but it works. And you just kind of wiggle your comb and like you just kind of comb out certain areas that have a lot of hairspray. Now, if you're wondering what to do about flyaways, this right here will help you. You take this wax stick, this is mine. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand, that's why my hand looks like that. And anywhere you see these like flyaways, you're just gonna kind of press it on them. If you do that though, you have to have either a flat iron or a hot comb ready to go. And then you're gonna go and you're gonna take your hot comb, mine's at 500 degrees, and you're gonna go over the areas that you just applied the wax stick so that it doesn't feel like waxy on the hair. You need the hot comb because it melts it into the hair, and it kind of just melts all of the flyaways down. It holds everything down really, really well. But you have to have either a flat iron or a hot comb, or your hair is going to feel kind of like weird and gross and like waxy if you use the wax stick without a hot comb. I hope that makes sense. So I like to just take like a damp washcloth and wipe away any of the excess hairspray or gel or whatever. And then you put a little bit of powder over top, and then you can take some setting lotion and then wrap it down, and it will be laid for the gods. I think everything looks as melted as it's going to get before I go into work. So you guys let me know what you guys think. I do have some hairspray right there that I need to get off, but I'll do that after I get off the camera. But this looks really, really nice. And I mean, the hair feels amazing. So I'm gonna quickly straighten my hair and then we'll be back. And then what I might do is come back in like a day or two and give you like my thoughts after like a week or so of wearing this hair, so you really see how it's holding up. Because honestly, in my formal opinion, I really feel like RPG show wigs are some of the best quality wigs for such a good price, and they just hold up so well. I'm still wearing my other wig for the past like 2 or so months. I love it so much. And I just love RPG show wigs. You guys, if you see me wearing these wigs for the next couple of years, just know they hold up, and I wear my wigs until they fall apart. So far so good with this one, but I'm gonna straighten it now. My straightener, since a lot of you guys like to ask, is a Babyless straightener. It's kind of pricey, but you can get it at Ulta, and literally most of the hairstylists that I know actually use this on me, so I went ahead and bought it myself. And you see how it's so like flowy and bouncy this hair is? It feels incredible, honestly. You guys know I haven't worn a bob in a long time, but I actually really love bobs on me, and there's a good chance that I actually might cut this. So I wanted to show you something really quick before I have to go. What you get when you order a wig from RPG Show is the wig will come in like this. So my wig came in this little dust bag that is like lined with satin. And then I got a wig cap. I don't really wear these. I only wear these when I wear a closure wig. If I'm wearing a frontal, you'll never see me wear one of these, but they are convenient. And then they actually sent some cool things. So they sent over a wig knots healer, no bleaching. So if you needed to cover up your knots on your wig, you could use this. They also sent over one of these wig grips, which I think is super cool. Maybe I'll wear it in the next video, but possibly not, because I'm really content with how I lay my wigs down. And then they sent over some of these hair clips. So I might try these, I don't know yet, but it's kind of just these clip-ins, these blonde kind of like honey colored clip-ins that you can put in and kind of give this wig a few highlights without the commitment. So I really love this. You get a flyaway tamer, which is basically what I just got done using. You get what is that? Scissors, tweezers, and like a wig razor. So you get everything you need in this box to like install your wig. All you need is the glue, hairspray, etc. And then you get this wig book with like all of the hairstylists that they work with to create these gorgeous wigs. So you get a lot of stuff, and all this stuff is super, super useful. So whether you want to use it now or you want to use it later, at least they give you all this, and they give you the option of like adding it onto your order as well. So I really like that. This wig is the BU001 is the name. It is YF075. The texture is silky. It's 14 inches. It's a natural color. I get size 1, which is the smallest size. I got a lace front wig cap, and it is Swiss lace with medium brown shade. So yeah, those are all the details. I will see you guys probably in a couple of days with an update on how I'm liking the wig and how it's looking, because sometimes I feel like, well, most of the time I feel like sometimes a wig can look good on the first day, but like if you can't keep applying it throughout the week, then it kind of can go downhill. So we'll see how it holds up in the next couple of days, and I will keep you guys updated. So I'm back. It has been a few weeks since you saw the first half of this video, and I just wanted to kind of update you on how I'm feeling about this hair, how it's looking after almost a month of wearing it, and all those details. So let's get into it. This right here is the same wig from earlier in the video. I, however, cut like 1 inch or so, maybe 2 inches off of this hair. So instead of being 14 inches, now it's more like 12, I would say. So it still has some length to it, but it's really more of a, even more blunt of a cut, because I just took clippers and kind of just like buzzed it at the ends and made it like a really kind of straight angle, as you can see. I actually recorded myself doing that and then lost the footage. So you won't actually see me cutting the hair, which is what I did in the bathroom. It was actually very simple. However, I just wanted to tell you guys about the hair and how it looks and show you guys kind of like up close and personal how it looks. So yeah, let me do that and like get closer and closer and closer. So I have just applied it with a little bit of hairspray and a little bit of wig glue. So here's what we're working with, right? It's not bad at all. I really think it looks pretty good for applying it with hairspray. You know, pretty decent. So the one area that you might always get like a few tangles is at the nape of the neck. That's because your nape of your neck tends to get really sweaty or hot, and so that can kind of like, you know, it's with it constantly like rubbing up against your neck, you might get some tangles in that area, but I don't really notice anything else. I have been wearing this hair on and off for the past 3 weeks, so I actually took a few photos in this hair for one of my friend's handbag companies, and I'll have that linked below too. And these are the photos. I think they look really cute, but the hair just looked so fabulous, and it just flows and it just feels really cute and springy and young, and I love it. I like it just as much as I did when I first took it out of the box and applied it, and yeah, it's just as easy to apply it as ever. I will come back in a couple months with an update, and I might, maybe I'll add some highlights or curl it or something, do something different to it. Maybe like I'll crimp it or something like that. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see me do something interesting to this specific wig. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.